Signs from the universe that what you want is coming to you now. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, and we're flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Thank you for subscribing, and remember to always click that bell icon because we're here to help you with the money you desire, the love you crave, and the happiness and health that you deserve and depend on. So sign number 1. I get this all the time. People go crazy when I say this. But sign number 1 is nothing seems to be happening. And the reason for that is that in the ancient teachings, there are 4 worlds. Now, there may be more than 4, but there are 4 that we know of. 4 worlds of manifestation, from the very highest at the Godhead all the way down to the physical plane in which we live. It takes time for energy to matriculate all the way down into your life. For some people, it's only a day or 2. For others, it's only a few minutes. For others, it's a week. And for others, it could be a year. It depends on how much resistance you have. If you have a lot of resistance, if you're filled with negative thoughts and worries and doubts and fears, then it's likely to take a little bit longer. But sign number 1, nothing seems to be happening. That's a good sign that something is happening. High flyers, sign number 2 is you're having these dreams all the time, every week, sometimes every night, about what it is that you desire, whether it's money or love or a relationship or a career advancement. I know many years ago, I had these dreams every night about being on the radio. And then all of a sudden, I got my first radio job shortly thereafter at 17 years of age. But think about it. For about 3 or 4 months, every night, I was dreaming about being a disc jockey on the radio. And then it happened like that. That's how dreams work. Well, sign number 3 is internal knowingness. You just know. I don't know how I know. I just know. The ancients referred to it as gnosis. You just know that you know that you know. I have a friend of mine, he knows he's going to win the big lottery. He doesn't know when. He doesn't know how. He doesn't know exactly which lottery it's going to be. He just has this sense of knowingness. And I've seen that in other people who have been lottery winners or had immense success very quickly in other areas of life. It's that sense of, I just know. Sign number 4 is you see and you hear more of what you desire. People are talking about it. You're hearing about it on the radio. You may be hearing about it from friends. You're seeing it. If it's, say a new car, you're seeing that car everywhere. Everywhere you go, you see that new Hellcat. And you go, that's my car. It's even in the color that I desire. And so that's what happens. You're seeing that car over and over and over again. Or you're seeing a picture of someone that you want to have a relationship with. You're seeing them more often. Or you're seeing money. You're seeing symbols of money over and over and over again. Limousines, things like that. These are all very powerful signs. Get excited. Get motivated because it's coming your way. High flyers, sign number 5 is get excited. And so if all of a sudden you wake up in the morning, nothing has changed, but you just feel excited. You feel motivated. You feel amped, juiced up, and you don't know why. It's because what you desire to manifest, your intention, is coming to you, and it's coming to you now. Well, high flyers, this may seem like a negative sign, but sign number 6 is that sometimes people have to drop out of your life in order for you to feel and have that sense of freedom. In other words, these people are putting negativity into your mind. They're thinking negative thoughts. Oh, they shouldn't get that new job. They shouldn't get that new job. They don't deserve that new job. Whatever. They're against your relationship. They're against you making more money. They're against your happiness. They want you to live their way. And so one of the signs that is very powerful is that these people start to fade out of your life. And you start to replace them with positive, resourceful, optimistic people. And these are people that support you. They're excited about your journey. They're excited about where you're going. Oh, it feels good. It feels good to have that kind of soul family around you. Sign number 7 is everything's fallen into place. I mean, what could go wrong? Nothing. Everything's working out exactly the way you desire it. And it's amazing because I had a friend, a client of mine in India, and I forget, he said it's a guava fruit. I may have this wrong. Is it a guava? It's a fruit. And he said it was on the top of a tree. And he was looking at it and thinking, man, I would sure love to have that fruit, the one that's way up at the top of the tree. I wonder if somebody could climb up there on a ladder, but it's too tall. And so he's looking at it, and all of a sudden there was a gust of wind, and the fruit fell to the ground. And as he went down to gather the fruit, you know what was sitting right next to it? A white feather. A white feather right next to the fruit. And so he put the feather in his pocket and he ate the fruit. And I just think that everything just falls into place when you believe it. Now, that's a small manifestation, but he had no doubts. He had no fears. He had no worries whatsoever. And that's why it happened. Well, high flyers, sign number 8 is you're seeing 111 or 1111, 333, 999, 1234, sequential numbers or numbers like 1111, 333, and 999 over and over and over again. And these are oftentimes signs from the universe speaking to you mathematically through the language of numbers that what you desire, get ready for it, prepare for it, because it's about to happen in your life. And number 9, this is a crazy one, but it's true. It really works. You're seeing ladders and staircases. You may be dreaming of ladders. I had a friend of mine, he drove down a street. He saw 50 ladders in one day before he won $500 on a scratcher. Go figure, you know? And I don't know why he was counting the ladders. That's a good question. But he was. And staircases. If you're having dreams of staircases, you are climbing to your destination. You're climbing to whatever it is that you desire most. The universe is sending you some beautiful signs. Now here's some other videos that will help you on your journey.